Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to apply as CapCut Template Creator. So, if you want to start creating content on TikTok and you need to become a creator of templates, this guide is for you. So, first thing you have to have in mind is it's very simple to do to apply as a CapCut Creator, right? So first thing you have to do is open up your app. So once you open up the CapCut app, you scroll down to where you see me, click on me, which is a profile. Make sure you have signed in into or you have actually created an account with CapCut. Yes. And you should also be a frequent user of CapCut before you can think of becoming a creator. So you click on here. If you don't see apply as template creator right here, just click on this, which is the notification bar. Click on it and you should actually have a CapCut official message which say you should become a template creator. So let's just scroll around and see if I got that. So you can see I got it like up to 3-4 times that I should become a template creator today. So simply click on this. So once you click on this, it's going to actually load up. You can see what is a template creator. They're going to tell you is a user who creates templates for other people to use. So why become a template creator? Show your creativity, build your audience, get cash rewards. So now they said apply. You can't apply now. To be eligible to apply, please create and export more videos on CapCut. That's why I told you that you should actually be a frequent user of CapCut before you can actually apply as a template creator. Sorry. So once you do that, you'll be able to apply for that. So this is literally what you need to know on how to become a CapCut user. But you can click on learn more to actually see. So you still have to export more videos from CapCut before you can become a creator. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.